Welcome once more to FM Bazaar. This is Bandi Broto, presented to you. This is the English news. First, the heading. A Congo star is working that a twins Njakasis was being misplaced in the Hôpital Central of the Yaoundé of Cameroon. Matthew's diary. A Ngondere that is there to be teaching other Ngonderes that have been eketalized have come out a Nyang Kaolu to help the eketes that the Njakas should not pass it. Now the news in full. Kind things have been taking place in this asset that we are inside, but we are not spoiling because we have tempted our ISIS and be spying but a different other sites that is not even have enough things that we have to spoil in the day. Those you knew that a Ngondere, I mean an ex-Ekete, that was having twice Njakasis in his belly, did echography twice times in big hospitals, was when unbonded, and there was story that he have instead bonded by a Ishai Njaka. And the question that was went in and Tontoni was that, where have the other Njaka went? Have he misplaced in the belly only in the time of bonitation? This spoke that I'm speaking is a spoke that was took place in the Yaoundé of Cameroon. And if you are doubting that I am lying you in this part that I have spoken, then I shall only took my telecommand and then I play the video. Then you shall hear it.
Après-midi, plus de 14 heures, et on a chassé toute ma famille. Ceux même qui voulaient rester au pouvoir, on leur a dit on ne voit personne. Quand maintenant on me place sur la table, ils ont placé tout le dispositif était prêt. Avant qu'on ne procède à l'opération, le chirurgien me dit: Madame, est-ce que vous aimez partager avec les autres ce que vous avez? Ils ouvrent dans le van et entre-temps, ils m'ont dit de ne pas tourner la tête, de ne pas les regarder. Parce qu'il fallait toujours regarder de l'autre côté et pas à la porte de sortie. Sous prétexte que non, le sang qui passait là pouvait sauter sur la veine. À un moment, je constate seulement que la disparition de la majeure du bloc. Et elle réapparaît seulement quand on est à la fermeture du ventre. Et entre-temps, quand ils enlèvent donc celui-ci, l'autre bébé, ils me disent: oh madame, vraiment l'échographie nous a trompés. Ils me disent: c'est ce que tu dois comprendre. Nous venons de te présenter un bébé.
As you have near in the tele that I have plated, you yourself, I know that you are bathing hands. But that is the truth that was there. How can a Ngondere, that means an Ekete, did echography twice? There was story that is twice iron jackers per the men. Even the time that there was one to when and did this, they want to go and bond the jackers, they were sitting echography and also that the twice iron jackers are they where she done in and their heart is knocking in the better position. But after the bonitation, this one eye of this jackass was not commented, and it was spoken that is the echography that was a by mistake echography. Have you saw this after that we are inside? And now they have went now to the gendarmerie and they have told them that they should write statement. This family is a family that have not had jackass since. There was actually a Ishai boy child. After 70 years of serious marital to marry, there was actually a 7-year-old boy's child. After now, God was come and PlayStation them with a twice jackasses in a one ekete. But now they was told them that this echography have showed that it's twice per the men that have been eketalized. They was went to number second topography. Echography. They was told them again the very thing. But when they was went and disencatalyzed Ngondere from her ekete, they was discovered that it's only a one anjaka, and the nurse was spoken that maybe the echography was not spoken the true spark. So where have the other jaka misplaced and went? Where have the jaka misplaced and went? Commenting from that spoke, we shall now, because today is a general day of all the eketes. Because Kongusa is carrying that when these eketes have carried belle, tonto with the belle 5 months, belle shall come out. So when they shall even carry belle 9 months, when they want to win and diseketalize themselves, belle shall pass, jaka shall win. That is why Matthew's diary, that means Ashu Mata Egbe, a midwife, that means a Eketeyatora, that means this is a midwife, is a Ngondere or a Padiman, that Yayatos the Nyang Jaka when he have just commoted from the tumor. From the turtle. So Ashu Mata, aka Matthew's diary, have commoted a Nyang Kaulo, that they might call it that on your ekete. I mean, own your pregnancy. Meaning that when you have had this kaulo, you have to be jarring the kaulo. It shall be teaching you how you shall take care of your ekete life. Took care of your belly life. So that you shall went from square 1, square 2, so that you shall went and born your young jaka that you have not have complaint. So this news is not only went into the eketes, it is went into the power boys that come and eketelize in Gondere and abandon you. You have to buy this kaulo. It's each 1,000 francs. You buy this kaulo, you give it to your ekete so that they shall be using it. And for other information that you want to know about eketelization, you have to went to Matthew's Diary. It's a Facebook page that you can went in the day and they shall be telling you what you have to do. Martha Ashu is not a small man. No. This is a president of Bele Yatoras. I mean, Njaka Yatoras. That means president of midwives in position. So, if you want that you eketelize your Ngondere and you want that the ekete should come out well with the Bele, so they come and born the Njaka, how you have to do, what they have to be munching, how you want to be went into the maternity, how you have to be spying, so that when you want to eketelize yourself, they shall not to Njaka. All those things are there in this kaulo. It's a nyanyan kaulo that they might call it that own your pregnancy. You understand? So that is what I was spoke. That if I does not come and spoke to you people, because every day you are hearing in the hospital, oh, she has born in Njaka, the Njaka have passed it. Oh, this ekete that was so 6 months ekete life, 7 months, he's no more ekete again, he have miscarriages. We are speaking that to stop all these things, you have to buy this kaulo. If you know any eketelize person, buy this kaulo and dash it a gift. Buy this kaulo and give. You should be learning how to maintain your ekete life so that you shall born your nyang jackers, and these jackers shall come and born their own jackers, and their own jackers shall come and born their own jackers, and you shall live to saw all these jackasses. That was today's channel. This is the English news presented to you by Bali Brought checked out by FMB Entertainment under the serious helptation of Zoic's offensive information security system. Area code Baba Shop, the place of babintology and minyontology of all kinds style, and the general cafiage. May God bless you and give you long life. I'm Mr. Yanjakas and Yanjaka.